Y'all know what time it is. We have an Allure Beauty Box unboxing. This is for the month of June, I think. June or July. This one feels a little bit light, but that's okay. Let's see what's in here. First, though, get into the makeup. Do we like it? I was going for Cher inspired with a purple shadow. I like it, but I don't know if I really channeled Cher like how I wanted to. I also started doing my base makeup kind of similar. I don't know. It's cute. Don't know if it's just entirely there though. And that's okay. Also, I feel like this look took me way longer than it should have, but that's okay. That is a-okay. Let's dig into this box. Okay, we're gonna do it the same way. I'm not gonna look. I'll close my eyes and we're gonna pick. So, the POREfessional. Okay. Benefit is the brand. I know Benefit. This is the POREfessional Pore Primer. It is meant to minimize look of pores and fine lines, help make apply evenly and stay put, get silky, soft, smoother than smooth skin. I'm into it. I trust Benefit. I like Benefit. I'm gonna say that's a yes from me, and we're definitely gonna try it out because, believe it or not, earlier today I was thinking about, actually no, let me back up. I was watching a video from one of my favorite TikTokers, Kenya, and she just happened to mention the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer, and I thought, like, why did I not rebuy that? I kind of want it. I want a blurring primer. Came right on time. That one came right on time. Sorry, I peeked. I saw something. I'm gonna try to avoid that one. I saw something. What's this over here? What's this? Feels like a sample size. It is Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. This brand sounds kind of familiar. It's not really giving me, oh, here we go. Replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin. Oh, that's interesting. See, can I open it? It smells like lavender. It's also purpley in color. I mean, I love skincare. A good moisturizer, ooh, that feels good. That feels nice. Yeah, that feels nice. All right. That's gonna be a yes for me. I'm definitely gonna use it. Any skincare I get in these boxes, I put it on the shelf with the rest, and I'm likely gonna use it unless it just like really irritates my skin. Okay, I don't want that one. That's the one I saw. This, what is this? Oh, so sorry. So I knew I was gonna get this because what Allure does is, like, if they, with certain products, they'll allow you to choose the color that you want. And I knew I was gonna get a blush. I don't believe I chose the color, and oh, they know me so well. The reason why I was kind of going a little crazy is because the color, y'all see that? It's pink. Well, Glassy Lilac. That's much. So we're gonna swatch this. I am excited. If I can get it open. Jeez Louise. That is the packaging. I'm so excited. Look at that. Oh yeah. Yeah. Can we discuss this pigment? That's gorgeous. I'm so excited. Let's keep going. That's a yes from me. Okay, this is the one that I kind of saw. Paul Mitchell. I've heard of Paul Mitchell. Reparative oils for hair. I feel like I had to spend a little bit of time with this one. I am picky about what I put in my hair because I have locks, and I can't damage these locks. I can't do it. So it's gonna be a maybe from me. But what is it? Is it it's like an oil. So I can do hair oils typically. Let me dig a little deeper on this in my own time. I think there's one last thing, two things. Oh, I dropped it. What's this? Skin & Co. Ultra Gentle Botanical Face Cleansing Gel. Morning Dew. Who doesn't love a cleanser? I don't know much about the brand, but I can look into it to see what's really all about. It also has truffle therapy on it. I'm at a little bit of a loss for this one, but again, it's skincare. It's a cleanser. I wear makeup. I wear heavy makeup on some days. I'll take a cleanser. I'll take a cleanser all day. I think there's one more thing in here. It's like a little sample. Oh, it's a blemish patch. I'll be honest, guys, I've never tried these before. I see y'all be rocking them, especially little like star ones. Those are so cute. But I've never tried one before. It's a maybe. I'm gonna keep it on deck just in case. I'll put it in a safe place. And maybe she'll come into use at some point. Not a whole lot in this box, and that's okay. I got two things that I'm very, very excited about. The Haus blush and the Benefit primer. So still walked out satisfied. What do you guys think of this box? Have you heard of the brands that I didn't know about? If so, let me know. Tell me about them. Help me out on my research. And yeah, thanks for watching. That was a really, really quick one, guys. I didn't even ramble today.